So this is our snow for February, I guess. This is the most snow we've had in 3 months. And somebody's trying to drive in it. I, on the other hand, decided to take the day off because it's supposed to keep snowing. Snowstorm, snowing even more. Train station. Snowstorm on the train, and I'm frozen. Snow plows.
Clarkston, this station stop. Clarkston.
And about 5 more stops for us. Our train hit a car.
I may take you up on that beer offer now.
Might as well. What else you got to do?
Nothing for the next 2 hours.
I got 2 in here now.